Hi everyone, welcome to Pillai's Physio YouTube channel. I am Ponnu Pillai, physiotherapist. Today I am going to speak about what is physiotherapy. Nowadays many people are suffering from pain such as neck pain, back pain, knee pain, ankle pain, wrist pain, and sometimes the headache also related to the neck pain. The physiotherapy has a major role to treat these problems. The people should know that what is physiotherapy exactly. Patient comes to the physiotherapy for the pain. Initially we treat the pain with some kind of electrical modalities. We have more electrical equipments to treat the pain. Also we are doing the manual therapy, the manual muscle release techniques and the muscle energy techniques. These are the techniques we are using to treat the pain. Then after that we will concentrate on the strengthening of the muscles. Initially we do with the stretching to uh, relieve the tightness of the muscle, then go for the strengthening exercises. This strengthening will help to improve the power and the strength of the muscles. The strengthening also, there are two programs we have to increase the endurance and to increase the muscle bulk. Normally people go to the gym and do some exercises. These exercises will help to improve the bulk, not the strength and the endurance. So to improve the strength and the endurance of the muscle, we should do some kind of special exercises. So the physiotherapist will teach you some kind of these exercises to improve the performance of your muscles. Many patients coming to me, they used to ask me, uh, actually I am doing some exercise in the gym, then still why I need to do some physiotherapy exercise like that. What I want to say, the gym exercises will help you to improve the bulk, not the endurance. Only some kind of special therapeutic exercises will give you the endurance, because in our daily life the endurance of the muscles are very important. Mostly people do with the computer and people are using the mobile phone, sometimes more driving. This kind of continuous activities will increase the pain. So we should assess first what are the muscles are affected and what are the muscles are having more tightness and what are the muscles are weak. Initially we should assess that, then accordingly we should give the treatment. These are all the things I spoke before in outpatient clinic. Actually, apart from that, in inpatient clinic we do a major role. For example, the patients are admitted in the hospitals after orthopedic surgery, uh, the post-operative as well as the pre-operative, the physiotherapy very important, and the neurological conditions such as the stroke, Parkinsonism, the GBS, this kind of patients also should have the physiotherapy to get the recovery. Moreover, in ICU, the physiotherapy plays a major role. In ICU patients, we should concentrate about the lung function. Because of the bedridden for a long time, the patients might develop more secretion in the lungs. The chest physiotherapy will help to relieve the chest secretions and to improve the breathing performance. Moreover, in cardiology, the physiotherapy plays major role. After the bypass surgery, the physiotherapy, post-operative cardiac physiotherapy is very important to improve the endurance of the chest muscles and to improve the function of the lungs. In gynecology, after delivery, the physiotherapy exercise will help them to improve the muscle strength and to improve their everyday life activity. For cancer patients, after the radical mastectomy, the physiotherapy is helping the patients to reduce their swelling and the inflammations by doing some kind of special therapy like the lymphatic drainage. It will help to reduce the swelling on their hands and arms. In dermatology, the physiotherapy has important role to treat some skin conditions by using some ultraviolet radiation therapy. In outpatient physiotherapy, nowadays we are improved technologically a lot. We have lots of machines to treat the painful conditions and also we have lots of machines to improve the muscle strength and the endurance. So in this video I want to give some awareness about the physiotherapy to the people, because some people are thinking that the physiotherapy is for some conditions only, such as to treat the painful conditions only. But nowadays the physiotherapy has a major role in all the departments of the medical field, just such as the outpatient department, inpatient department, ICU and IMCU, then ICCU, etc. So the people should know about the physiotherapy services, and they should have the full benefit of the physiotherapy in the hospitals and the clinics. This pandemic situation, all should wear the mask and clean our hand with the sanitizer. Be safe. Thank you.